Imagine this. All 8 billion humans decide to coordinate. On the count of three, every person on Earth jumps into the air at once. The idea sounds silly, but let's test it. Could billions of feet leaving the ground at the same time actually shake the planet? First, some math. The average human weighs about 62 kilograms. Multiply that by 8 billion, and we get roughly 500 million tons. That sounds like a lot, but Earth itself weighs 600,000 trillion kilograms. Compared to that, humanity is microscopic. Even if every person jumped with Olympic power, the push against the ground would barely register for a planet-sized object. So no, the Earth wouldn't suddenly spin off its axis or crash into Mars. Newton is laughing somewhere right now. But while the Earth ignores us, the atmosphere and local environment might notice. Sound waves, ground vibrations, and chaos would spread. Imagine the noise, 16 billion shoes slamming the ground almost in unison. The sonic boom of sneakers would terrify every nearby bird. Seismographs around the world would detect a strange blip. Not an earthquake, more like the planet sneezing for a fraction of a second. Cities would feel it the most. Stadiums of synchronized jumpers have already shown the ground can wobble beneath your feet. Multiply that by millions in the same region, and some weak structures might actually rattle. Sorry, old shaky bridges. Meanwhile, people on islands or ships would be disappointed. Jumping on water just creates awkward splashes, not seismic events. And then there's the comedy factor. Coordinating 8 billion people to jump at once would be the biggest flash mob in history. Time zones ruin everything. Midnight in New York is lunchtime in Beijing. Good luck convincing toddlers and night shift workers to join. Suppose somehow it worked. 8 billion people land together. The ground shakes, windows rattle, and confused dogs bark everywhere. Would Earth move? Technically, yes. Momentum transfers. But the shift would be about the width of a single atom. Uselessly tiny. Still, it would be the loudest, weirdest, most photographed second in human history. Twitter would explode faster than the ground did. Scientists would write boring papers. Poets would call it the day humanity leapt together. Conspiracy theorists would blame lizards. And in the end, after all the noise, Earth keeps spinning, humans keep fighting over Wi-Fi, and pigeons keep ruling the cities. So if every human jumped at the same time, the result wouldn't be planetary chaos. But it would be one heck of a group photo. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. It helps us jump into more crazy ideas together.